ordinary na sa akwala nu wo free mu a na ordinary ko woni ye bedru wo ina me not iri bi a oni no tisi okoya sorry a otafre sabe tie for mo fanche mi so wo sa me kana wo ya we na wo show wu yi na yere no okọ private na kwa wi otafre na to ansa na wa ba ya sorry oh yeah ado ya no oni akwala wanya 1 month eni kwan say more than 1 month akwala ya wo so ordinary na sa akwala nu wo free mu a na ordinary ko woni ye bedru wo ina me pese message story me ye for you.
Okay. This is insane. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to me.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Jina ye na wala ni break pa. Jina ye mami. Good evening.
Good evening, Openi Amankado.
Now what to say?
And when you're pa, I'm also a
Me hoya pa. Agwasi sapon na mene ka say.
I'm a so focus sister for me and
Ona wa sori wo tai fa bokena no.
me pacha tai aboki.
Ensem bi twagu abrantie bi a wakata nanim. E kan nsem bi edi gu hu fi a opese o kire se. Aya wo kwasi sapon. Na o ne okot group bi mu. Ye friend K2. Dien. Anya bia yi aben na akodwane sa okot group no.
Just remember what I say. On so focus sapon soft gamen saba me sumpu na me sha.
Okay.
Started say me preaching radio so na mo the age of 19 years.
Okay.
Me ba TV so 2009. That about 24 years.
Okay.
Enti me nko Johnny work to be at that ni mani nyame asam meka.
Na K9 okot group ya ewa bonti abrantie ya kata nanimi. Uni ni nsa woso biada.
Abrantie mi nshi ya mpuga. Ena yivi no akata nanim timi mpu mi nipa a wakasa no mpu.
Unshi abrantie ne da.
Mi nshi ya na baby ada.
Na wo kan se bi se wo eye wo akwasi sapon. Oyere ekoti afia otafre udi uyiri bin ansan wakwa kogina puppet so aya sorry waka kan se mbebire anya bia waware first ejaya ma oba na wu da
Opanyi mi da ase osofo kwasi sapon me nware da. Me ba wi ase me nware da.
o nware da
Nware mpu da na ba sama wa ye kai sama ba wa.
Dabio da tobo me ba nyabotre o nware da ba branche nse waware ama we ba kokra de o na de ne ti asore no wa sacrifice ne da wawuko
Me nware da
ana oba wona ne ti wo yiri sesi a wo san ne tie
amanka do me pre
wo yiri a wona ne tie sesi ayi no udi oba ne tie afikura ansa wo ba puppet so ba ya sore wo so nware da
amanka do me nware da even sama warrior kwasi sapon me preach radio so ache me preach TV so ache me start preaching TV so 2009 up to now but aso gina TV so enti ma warrior anka ba honest anka sorry for na fama sorry no obi be hu me yire ana se bi omo hwe TV no ombe hu se me yire na te pocket no so no ana obi be fie mpo abeto me yire wo ho me warrior da
kwasi sapon nware da
Menwareda, amai krado, menwareda.
Na nsemu a
o Ghana ha, o nimi, obi abama sole, obi awe me TV so. Even Ghana boy ni kra o ko YouTube page. The page na se wo ko bo mi program o sha. Wu ba bia se me yiri bi ti puppet so, ana se me yiri bi e wo ba because so for there. And that one day e be ye bibi ama me yiri abeka se wo. and I said, "Yeah, may I sorry, I do so so." And let the puppet so no. We are to me a YouTube page. A dini Gabriel Akwesi Sapon, and I said, "Prophet Gabriel Akwesi Sapon." Okobo show me proof, sir. The new program be a will we are say, I'm in the year and a tour because Mr. May I sorry from the one the program be a little piano. You put TV so the good YouTube. And it's a Mawaria and could be the who say, Kwesi Sapon, Mawari, and Wareda.
Na dia be pa na ekoso otimi se obi a hye da nya daage se wo waba ne okot camp ama na ye sacrifice bebre bia ma wo de agina wa asore ama niema bebre ai se wa ya akra ma wo yire tie afik nyina oba a wo ne tie nyina wo so wo ye wo yire wa ware oba a oya wo yire a wudi ni bini ansa wa ba puppet so aba be preach dia be na ekoso a wo hwe obi betima boni tima kasa esem na to so
Me cry me dream one, Mentiasia says, you, or give it to me at last year, no planning. The summer, and I may assure say Nipana or Casano. May assure say, even Puabama saw him put that. And I may assure so name me that. When in Sambia or Catana, and go will be a personal, and then go to Chan Trumpa, and the uncle Cassama Ware, but Cassama Ware. Because of that, it means that we name. And I already video ni mo a sani obosi ya o describe masoro ho kura no utumu se oni masoro ho ma won
description be na ode ma won ne sem na okan mu a ene wa sori ne description ne ebabura okan de ba de
wotie ne nsem na one o se me wo akonwa bi e wo masoro ho a wo mum na ye ma me o se akonwa no 3-in-1. A community 3-in-1. What the carbon say? You good and white and good. Me so much sorry. Me I could be or much sorrow. 3-in-1. White and good. Even some make us on a Ghana for be any media. We went to me a YouTube page. No one bomb programs. So be a 3-in-1. A white and gold that you be as how and work as some was saying Mr. T. Masfoden and been leading 2000 or 2011.
Yeah.
Am I glad? Ghana for the other year dance, they said the entire software Yamima won Konya almost 30 TV show a year a D4 and I say, Omo was some come start to see a better TV show. That the bad TV so let me show you but me kasa ni poku kakra no bi
yeah
TV 2009 no the be that preach 2000 and 2003 2004 2000 and 2003 in I'm starting radio show
yeah
TV 2009 na me be TV tumpo no na enipa o ma so dem wo ma because the only if I want to mean to my TV so
David
it is a radio
top radio yeah top radio time na ye year be
and the what has top radio time near 2004 more
2004 yeah
radio
yeah now by you yeah ko
and you know just 2011 no even minya nyankopon ye mafom sa nipa ku kakra Yami Sla Womu was me one of them.
Yeah.
Because me 2009, now 24 years. Satemano, na atiya Yanko Onipawa, a chicken Yamia to through Busu, and Yamia to super good should be an me, a question upon data. Even that time is 30 a preachy, or TV Africa.
Yeah.
TV Africa, Ghana for better. That the name is for small boy. Let me preview with TV Africa. And that for year, the same interview back or Tinka TV. What I come back to say that time now.
How's Wakatan and Musa? Okatan and Musa.
I was Okatan and Musa. Okatan and Musa. Was the same Kumiba or 17 years. Am I 2012? Na me kwesi sapo. Na me age nyina no na me 27 years. In the 27 yes. I was 17 years. Let's say, if I never saw 10 years, and I'm a woman.
Who did 10 years now? What?
Yes, so to me, who ban many years?
No, Baba and Bukra and the way. Or Baba and Animal. At that time, no. Obana is ready 10 years, and now Obana be 9, 8
years, sir. Obey to me, I will. And Osaka, Bibi Banco said, me of a bee, that I know of a near me, Papa. Even me, questions upon me to in an me, Papa, in me, your bar, on your bear, my own soon be.
Or soon we, okay.
And what you know, Osaka, put it down, said, me brother, back enemy brother. To me, my Ghana for when you have the affair. In your room, now you have 4, a man 2, a man 2, or Papa, a penny, or warrant, or any crunet here. You are tossed to a bear, or water, and I mean dinner tea into a near uniba. And to be a big grabber, they said, the cool me bra yere, and I said, the cool me bra bano, me brother a back of a water or warreda.
Not to say. Eti radio station ni TV stations na okọ no omo mfrẹ won so omo mfrẹ musa oside
o da di radio station di am frame TV station di am frame
eno an se
niam na
abrantie na kata na nim san na oka nsem
sende ma wo mo ano an se ni pana kata na nim na oka nsem ena nkrofo nso hye tuwe we niam na nipa na keka bo mu be keka na efa ne mabra bokura
ebabura me dia mete ayere no mete ayere no kura wo mu no akwasie mete ayere na ewo mu se wadi kan ware oba na wu na se kura wasan ware foforo oba ne kotiafi ema wudi ansa wakọ property go nyame se nipa na am se nipa na wagimi kwasi sapon ye ni kwasi sapon ware da kwasi sapon ware ye enti oba be na ana honhom mu no ware oba foforo bi na wo ka honhom mu asem
menwareda me be wi ase menwareda
abasi action be na wo take wasem we say
amankrado inya mfensia okay
o monitor also station bi ye program ya live wa na wa fast no wa make sure so betima kwache no ho opia ya na police fo atwa ne ho ahia enya kor wa nse say no de obafo ye ni bi no ebebo apa minim say on pese obedi nkomo bebre ewo aharum say owo TV ne so a wo ye yi na so akata nanim
na say me hu say
yeah
me hu say ade na kwesa amanka do team
miti opa
hello
miti opa
me hu say ade ni na kwese to say bi na me tie u program no na wo ka say first na ni pegu ani mase wanka ho hwe na me na nyina be yese
yeah
me ya sure says obi onim kwesi sapo obi say me very quiet guy
very quiet very reserved
apart from say me ya sorry ebeye den pa say obi beti menum asem say me ka say wo be
da bia no akansa gugu da bia no akansa gugu
wo jasa de no to obi bia ni TV station ho no te ni peti a na say wo pe osofu bi de na ye ade a wo so o ma ase no o ma pra ne no o mo de na ye e gu menim ase utu so obi bia radio station no person ni peti a because ni so o kwesi sapo de enko ba bia
yeah
for na bi o di no kwesi sapo na wo ka enko dru ba bia nti me ya sure say because of member kasa no na ko issue advantage obi ni YouTube person ni pa hwe obi ni TV person ni pa hwe obi ni radio person ni pa hwe na odi ni din na odi aye obi a me ba wi ase amenware de station and I say obi ti ni YouTube channel etumi kasa ma ware ama me yire me kika ko me yire baako am me yire foforo ama ware no okoleta na wadi bibi se ipa nya wo personal interest and the wom and awo hwehwa and obi da kasa bi sa acho so obi akum ne yire a osofo a wagi din ana asofo nipa ni ne de wo fra obi abisa ne se sofo we wa ware da yire awu pa de me ye so se enke easy
very easy cry
Oh.
But what Jina baby I say udin for nothing.
So a man crado.
Yeah.
A man crado uti.
Mitiopa.
See, the Oba Wakwe Grosso. The Obia or software Wakwe Grosso. Ebe susu obi mpa kenye kwesi sapon
Dabi
ade konti America sa ne se ye we bi osofu bi hono ma nyame nsa wono so e bi obi di be 40 years ni ateso osofu we wo nyame de ne adwuma eye e bi osofu o 30 years ba me de ifi me di kra for Ghana ha no be start say me ba read so a me die pie no na me with the age of 19 years. Intimidate 20, 19, 20, 21, Ghana for me, and what you know, it did 24 years. And then he preach out with TV show. If you know the TV station back when let me preach also. Let me preach you TV Africa, let me say preach you Crystal TV. Taifa Burkina.
Banchiase.
Taifa
Burkina Banchiase.
And make Janyankopo acquire so. Because 24 years. Now, Dibia, Nanko did 2 minutes, didn't necessarily be saying Nanko point. A Yesika, a Yahunya dear, Nanko permanently. And you know, at the end of the bar, Yanko Sham Sanch la Cassiano. Yes, Sanch la Cassiano was said, me call confu be and was for no one. That's the confu no more.
Dear,
thank what we can't have one.
I can see dear.
Send a confu be to me or software, and my software to me, Peja say, dear. And yes, I can know what castle you know. There's a conformance in your castle for a nipper, 1,000 about me, and just.
Mpa die kwasi babi a wugina na nya wo breaki
embra so say
babi a wugina na nya wo breaki pa
okay
wo breaki Mamesa lenke wa apibim amenlenke wa apibim ne la ni break orafo se wa hunu no kra tuamu ya bese sofo edin kwa se ne yire ba ko adi kan wu second one okoti afia wodi ansa akopo peti akwa ya sore abranti akeka nsa no wakum ne wofa anu wakum ne yire anu twa oba ne wiye ne twa oba ne ba no ane yire kokoye rituals man no ya kan nsem bebere so for you so worry dawo on this kanya oba bia ho ade da ever in his life. And so no nipa na kata nanim e ko radio station ko TV station kan sem say wa sacrifice ne ma wa sacrifice eba ne ba ro 16 years asa sacrifice ne yere ba ako asa sacrifice ne wofa ama ne yere mienu ne yere otoso mienu kra de okoti afia odi anopa bi odi ni bin ansa obaya sori a ya sori enipa din seye a sabe ye seye a yanwene ho ye sori ya na ese enipa din so ati ase mame san frɛ no akwasi sapon onware da oni yiri bia a okọ sacrifice no ne ba bia ni 16 a wa sacrifice no awase metie wo to aso
hello
metie wo
ti memesre gan for say mumai na anante say omai baako ni ense and so I say
sir e hwa no betima channel dia fa
and now the TV station me ba jot menga
me to kapa so ma hu say asofo ani mo hare
so okay so obi asode na sofo yekunwe me sure say aden na aye nkrofo da
yeah
akoso abedu sample
yeah
sofo amware da enti amanka de yen show senke bia enkama wari bia
sa no de sofo wo so be mpasa
obi eba asase
wan sori anyina
ko se so bedu asase so eno oba na free mu a and then Kenyam them kuna, and I knew you coming, you were him.
Yes, and can we impocreu? What are you more cobana who done any own okun or ban and crab you are? Cassaway Kay one Kenny. But we can't all worry that.
Kamiku, yes, I'm to create more him.
Yeah, and I say I'm going to run before.
Yes, I mean, worry that.
Yeah, worry that. Oh, worry that. Oh, no, baby, your baby, I want the other. As we assume,
as between Cocu Mayer. Slamogana for who may say, Yasmia, there be a dream, see a benya,
Yasmia, Yasmia,
there be a dream, say, your best say would be, oh, a man trado, I did I have go. Na obi no obi wa asem mpo no one obi nama no asedata bebe ma hero
yeah those days ampa yeah you fa hon kum mema bebere
that
yeah
ahun kum for innocent person Ghana for he said ya dwene no ntre say enipa na wa se ne be ma hira no yemie ni sip ne wese ne
yemie yebeku na wi ase an se be ma ni tua ho
yeah, what's up? You better put them with it. I'm standing here who said, Nipanas, and the man in I. Ghana said, Obi, Lord of Quampanese, baby to Tokura. Yin sit Tokuna, just say, an accident that could Nipansa. I dear we air cost. That way, I just persist upon kind. That was so for me, sorry. Yamete never yet, Obi can say a Bunufi, Obi cast or your upper. Obi cast a soft when a kunipa, Obi fire trouble, especially Kunikwa. Obi no, and you don't soft for us, away innocent. Be a person.
So for no subufu, I say, so for na buafu.
Because we are branching. Yes, we are branching in some walking. Let's end that high for Okina for. And all my young compua said you open Marasso, and there be a no matanache, and there be a woman named Consist upon. Send for you will be glad about the summer solid.
Yeah,
and I'm going to go to the promise.
Oh, yeah, can't summon that also. Just like you can't also. Because in Monsieur DBI me, many are Yadia, many are Yadian can yet.
I will your kunka. So, and the other poor real, I feel will be better our soften upon whatever. Now the Ghana for you say, I will say. So, for Aquarella way here, Mamma, full Jarian Colano, impo almost circle anymore. Colana say, Aquana 1 month.
Or say a new 1 month, Papa, or say a new 1 month, Papa, because he was a new 1 month, Papa. A new 1 month, Papa, if you 1 day corner, and Aquana die. Jimmy Cassa.
Akoda onya 1 month. A quine elder Hefa, you took quine, and I send a new quine. A quine da Colana will be a community matter. Now, any Akura 1 month in the crown, if I say your son will get to me as Akola anymore.
Didn't say it. Because your son, you must.
Ghana,
that time.
Ghana, buy and sorry. Now, one should be almost the sad, and that crow will be swat classic. No, a tear was so for the Abra Bomism. Now, if you are John, the net Yaka home, no one reader, or Kogu soften any massy. That was soften and I was I know be effort to no about softening pay, who are good soften up to watch on the park. And then they're caution.
Call Branty or Catalan, you and walk handsome. Maybe I'm not Catalan. Minya video to be here.
The Dipane Cano, I am no cra. Cromwell, you were on for a Papa Yokotu, be bushman.
Kwakubun Nana Kwakubun
some. Kasa na kwaku wensam kasa so nkata nanim
Dabi oyi nanim
ka de na de wakata nanim okonfo agrada oyoba okasa onkata nanim
Dabi
die na ba ya konfo we okata nanim na nkanyankopon wo ye konfo de nkanyankopon asatra wo de a se nka wo de nam ye ne so bo ne kanyame asem nka wo kato wanim adedai
o se wodi nti ya bɔ ne paa so omu animu asa
so ya bɔ ne paa obi personal interest amenye na me YouTube page enkrofo nkwo na menye sika na sika na wo benya no wo bedi ni na sei enti wo trase kwa ase wo bia enti wo kura nipa no wo yam nhyew katra se wo bia wonim ne da utumi twin se utumi tasa sa nipa wo ku nipa Ghana for
obi anware da sofu kwasi sapon ware oba bia da enso yesi wa kun yire
eye de na tumi so se kokum yire me ware da me be wi ase me ware da
dabi
even Panafena afena me bo ma ware ya ho mpa ya ebia ending of this year na say next year me ware me wi ase me ware da
me da ase me se mani bo video no say me say where dey me say enkofo na ahye adwuma a ombeso mo di kwasi sapon na menim nipa ko ohase ko kwasi sapon dey onware ye sofu kwasi sapon what type fa bokena bili oware da ben na me tutu mbo na me tietie za feri ase wadi kan ware ba kokra ma oba na wu second one ya won ne tie wa udi ni bi kura san akwaya sore na me say we ya chimisem I won't sit down for this thing to flow on social media.
I'm the medical culture and say Yankupon shop papa.
Amen.
Because in any pain and Omoya Oga, Omo Bibi say ya, Omo better was it. And Masso so many in a cassetia san near my way.
Very bad.
Your minister, Omoshan Colafa would be so. Ray was say, Akoda, and the Yenada, Amakoda, and woo. Ejidi na aban ya afa ho woso oba your ministers a omo hwe ema afa ho die so yeso oba na yase da kum oba na ye de oba no ase popitase
eso o kwada afu adaka mu kra
minister de na o ya afa ho
say akwada wadi 1 month
for me ba wi ase me nware da me nware mi wi ase da
thank you
nware mi wi ase da
thank you thank you that's it.
My warrior, Nimpo na menka no kra, enka Ghana for ne nsore ma bebrebe, enko bi abe hu se me akwasi sapon ma ware, me ware da.
Obo ni tirima kasama to so. Nti wa anwene nkwachiri. Ya soma no, ana wo ba nso akata ne na radio station ni TV station so mo ma ne chance no. Ada ne invite on so bi. Na brantie ni ewo nie. Ko
na menti ase.
Ye ma me hunu se wo twantro no. Wa ware no. Wa ware ne ma me hu so wo twantro. So for kwasi sapon ware da ben. No.
Me ware da, me be wi ase me ware da. Me be wi ase me ware da. Me ware da. Me ware da. Me ware da.
Thank you.
Me ware wo ba bia da.
Kwasi sadi aya no. Me gidi se Ghana fo ahunu no kura etua saase mu esemu. Medo ase. Se me to nsafra obae. What?
Radio station, any TV station oko hompo no. Obi antumi invite me. Ana obi antumi amfrɛ me ntie me no masem. Enti di awaye se watumi afrɛ me po. Se me nso so me ka me de no. Nsre Nyankopɔn hyira.
Amen.
Nyame mani siw ye.
Amen.
Wo no yire no ma obusia.
Amen.
Emu be ye bia Awurade mani nye ye.
Amen.
Mo san krofo se na mo ye nyame nkrofo a mo ti Nyankopɔn atuma asi ho.
Amen.
Atenka de ne do ye program no ye sofo. Sofo ba ko nso YouTube ono spread no evangelist si ono nso ye sofo. Sofo to sofo no bo bi atumi amfrɛ me po musa me no masem.
Ana ya ji ono nko adi.
Grant ye no so. Wo tumi ye wo keke. Na wo tumi afrɛ me. Na wo musa me no masem a ye me kan se ya me nhyira. Ya me nhyira.
Medasi. Sofo kwasi sapon. Eye Taifa Burkina. Hormona na sore kese ewo Ghana. Na nsen ne bebo bu monten so se abrantie bi kika nsem bi gu ne ho fin. Na man kara me tombo ase tietie nsen bia na ne click me a e ma me nya interest e wa se wonu ne se. So mo kwasi sapon aware ne edi kan ama wa sacrifice ne yere no odo ba na ye den aya sore no wa sacrifice no. Ama wasan aware second one. Ama second one no tie nko ade oba ne no wadi ansan wakwa preach na me say no something is going on ana man crowd me too ho ana mo say me do sasem we say mu esukọ na me hunu say e din say ye bi na e de ekoso men ka se sofo kwasi sapon ye so abofo but me asemo na aba fa ne ho a brantie bia kata nanim a wo kansem fin egunu so so me ehu nanim no brantie ne nsem a wo kan nyina ye kontompo abotirima kasem na wo kan gu oyo sofo akosi sapon so. Why am I saying this? One, ose waware wa sacrifice na yire odikan kwasi sapon so ware da obi onim sofo kwasi sapon bili taifa bokena daba no ware akan yan ka say sofo kwasi sapon sacrifice na baby a we 16 years akwasi sapon so ya calculate the age na 10 yema be film na 16 film a na say den time no kwasi sapon den time na work no na say no adi 10 years. I'm saying no, and you may be a coso, and see so mammy. And you may be a day, and see so mammy. A botilma cancer, ye can be a good ass of we so. And I said that may I say, Baby, the home common. Or of war. Moon, you may be net trend or social media. Oh, Moon, you may be net trend or social media. Montum was and a movie. Obi or one. Ne kwasia na agini dwan anim gu ase e wo social media nti say nipa no deserve but obi ho no a oye innocent e be na mbu what mase obi ho a ne kwasia na agini dwan e wo social media na wa gina anim gu ase that person deserves it o deserve it but obi ho no a otene ba bi gina ne ho oboka na yeden sa na tie ti mesrew say eniama e koso ane niama etwaguo ane abranti a wahye face mask wadane ne ho anas part 2 akata nanimu a wo kan some TV stations a mama this guy opportunity on your show a young professional with all due respect mama an opportunity on your show why don't you call Kwasi Sapon no so for Kwasi Sapon I don't know mama also that opportunity to explain himself. Station pe hype. Inti a must say you let it obi down to hype the station. Huh? Say oh I presenter host kuno. Uni program bia wo ya. Enye sabe ensemo ese ni pedin. Ensemo ese ni pedin. Nipa no utumi se nipa no won kan nipa. Wotene ba bia wo dwen ne ho. Wada obi anyane no watu nsu agunu so osore nnamu prekopa otumi take any action and it won't go anywhere. Yeah, but me social media na very easy otamu phone no awonye license bia nti odi ade bi yo bia na ukodi obi achi akonkwase antokwa think twice maka kire mo saa ukodi obi achi akonkwase antokwa think twice me say me obi abeka me may expose you with real truth. Me mom timon kasamon toso. I will make sure say I will expose you in a very nice way. But feel very soon I will expose Fante brother. If we are saying you never who Fante brother na we very soon because Fante brother become man crowd ntokwa. Very soon I will expose young sisi. If we are saying you never who young sisi say a man crowd me my expose you no matiano. Sabe nye woshi say menye woshi o fele say obese me din just like that why Jimmy unim nyansa unin kaye onwene nkwachiri unim nyansa onwene nipa wone ne namoni ni di agro onye oboni bia o fele say ubegu nanimu ase na o say nim gu ase me di bi manwa bone be maye ha Mama ngege tiri ba bia no wada o ana mmoi young sisi ne Fante brother sorry so mu be Jimmy o megu mama ngege ni mu ase ekosi di ayi anko ba bia finally who lost the battle what a lose ye and young sisi no de nanim gu ase nam social media no yan kana sem e wi as me se bi bia o ne mere na ya ye din ama ya ke kan sem bi agu ye so ama mfa so papa bi amre. No more. No more. DJ Marcus Kojina African market. o jimi ne ho kire amanfo oppose jimi ne ho to short indirect abunu na ka say o to indirect short no fa ho adi odwan me mu wiya na mai say mu ye innocent na mo na mase me say obi a why na adwene say me amankrado obese me din bia no that person will be brought to book. They will be brought to book. You do me, man no go vex. Udnya daje. Some of us say ni pedin. Udi anka. Me obi nka me a me pese me kanu. Ya me kasa me wonka me nka on to kwada. So wonka me a me nka me nim sa ade ne ye. Me nim sa ade ne ye. Hey. DJ Marcus ko gina program bi so na data na kinsipa na yeso ko gina so no kama ware mu nsem. That was way back 3 years ago. And me twato ho. I still have that voices. Or kama ware mu nsem sane asa me ba brochi kwa na asa onim honom. Asamba I wo tenani ayira me yi voice ne to hono bokoro me de to me page wo sa manfo mo nhwe. San ko gina Africa man na wo bra na kinsipa kan nsem no. Kinzi preka ne nsem na woje no hwana na wo kana sema DJ Marcus woje ya aso woto aso se wa ammo mi dinti ana no wan fama kokot kokot me gozi die bri am yaw mo me kokot asie du gatia like osi any idiot can go to court afa na mase ya upia obi ato amaniem o de ye wie a ye beto aso why pese ye wie me pese wo umie wani pan so de mebe o de bekokọ ukotwa ntro so ko police station ko eko trim kan sam to obi so near man restraining order 72 hours restraining order of no use restraining order ye gene court near u se nipa no odifo na o ko near man within 72 hours say 24 hours restraining order I don't see where it goes kokot ni entoto ano enipa na unim no wa hu ne da wa hia ne da wo ne telephone number wa fra wo da wa text wo da e ba ne se no kan wasem no wa kasem ko gina Africa market mi ko gu na nimu ase ko keka na ho se mi di madamfo bi achi ne ye toto short ene oh God of Israel amankrado me se me abotede de me koso anya e wo ne ma bi ho but manyanya butire bi amfa so bi a mere mu wiase enipa me yo mo papa nyina e de boni ne tua meka me so men kra bia no nipa bia o ne manya ntokwa bia enipa ma yo mo papa o na ni menya ntokwa na man kra na mete hono na ma call life me tour na ma yede majiga na ma call life na ma ye me niema na o dabi menye sa uzo me obi a menta ma life o me kan me a menka na o ka me so wie na agi wani so na ti ase wadi nkwase asem wa relax ya then we ended there what tu hufo na me so matu hufo won say yes wasunya nyansa me mata me o de a time will come o ti social media adwen ho dwene o ho enya wadwen oh God of Israel o de munya botere ebre ne beso no kura bi etia sem bia ho anim guase bia ye yesi edi gu amankrado menya ho adaje ma cheche mu makomako wati munya botere amankrado menya ni pabonefo me obi a wa jimi no ne mbeko ntokwa woni menya nsan na me nkonda ajimi fo na ne meko because wadwen mu ha wonya smart enough so be hu say why mistake amankrado ye man of principle u jimi on chema me de no me ujini ame ntwema na se me ko bo mitrim akoka nsem ato nipa so me se da bo mitrim atrotro nsem a eye ensem boni agu nipa so ne me keka nsem bo mitrim aka nsem me se da ko fake wo police station akoka nsem hwe a kwa no aka se me ko jimi e wo baabi e kwa African market bi na me kokko jimi wo ho na me jimi fa eye abrantie na me de na ba ha ne ho me ko kan se to no so me ko kan se ana ono so masem baaye afa na last a mokotwen bibia wɔ ne mmerɛ yɛn kasa bebree bibia wɔ ne mmerɛ me se me nyɛ obia bɔne wɔ me wiase a me ba bet and try so obedi kan de bɔne adi me akosi sa pon asɛm yi a abai akosi sa pon asɛm yi a abai ama me di tufu say you very careful wɔ nipa ho na obia na adwene sɛ wɔpɛ so wɔ sɛ wudin a don't sit down for any person to spoil your name all in the name of social media no obia kwotena se no obɔ ne trim yɛse nano Kinsley Preka na yɛse Oma kotrotro letters kɔ na dwuma mu keka nkwase asɛm egu no mense na mo ba kan to kwa social media na mo ntimi a afa de adipa dwuma mu na maduro mo kwa mo nka no kwase mo jimi wo social media ana nipa ne tia mo de mo kwa na dwuma makɔpɛ dɛ mo kwa na dwuma makɔpɛ dɛ o we fo nsa no ahwɛ nsa na odi bɔne bia so odi ni obi wɔ mo no na kɔpɛgya na bɔne ba o sɛ na sɛ me ti odi a me dwene me ho me dwene me ho makɔ Ghana ba me dwene me ho wo hɔ a na obi di asɛm na ɔde abɛwura wo kompre kopɛ Ghana fo nso majority ebi agin mo ha ɔmo te nsɛm bi ɔmo te da sabra no mo kra so ne yɛ sɛ nipa din just like that adan de bɛ na ya nipa hia what to kwan ba burokyire ensɛm a trend social media bebree obetima fa bi aka bɛ sɛ wo bo tirima kan sɛm ato nipa so ni akoma me ngega dwumam ni akɔtwɔtwɔ nkwase asɛm ni ade agu ne ho fin ni akeka nkwase asɛm sɛ kyenkyina atia wabɛka ntɔkwa social media wantimi antake ma me ngega sia na manaboro so ɔkɔ na dwumam ɛhɔ nom na wakɔ akɔduro we wonya kawo you are not strong enough to face that person yansu nyansa na wo a wobɛhu ɛyɛ sɔfo akɔsi sapɔn video yɛ trend ya branchi akata na nim yi bibia no ɛyɛ nkwase akeka ani abotrimasem enka ana ekoso ensoso so uhu bi ennam social media ma comment nkwase se ma comment nkwase se a fake stories na trendy just to spoil the person's name ma comment ni nsu honom engoka se na Ghana sofo de na yenya ne sa Jimmy entena se nka se by all means I'll do this to tarnish someone's name. Once the person is innocent, oya boa na nipa. Oko kan to kwa social media na oji wani so a na de ahye ho. Na ya na yese ya na minimi de hamu. Ya na minimi se mo bo mutirima kasama to nipa so a do you guys think when you plan evil against you guys think you don't think I don't think so you guys think. How can you plan evil against someone and succeed? Jimmy ni sabi fame wani pepenti. Obi ni ni abananti nipa ne nya ne hwe. Osemegu na nimu ase. Jimmy nti. I want to a wise. Isi na mese me. Wo a waka me ntokwa. Me kan wa beka me ntokwa bia no. Me muwa wo. But because mebuawa very nice way. You feel it. As simple as ABCD. DJ Marcus say okọ court, okọ ayi. Police station ko twa ntro. Okọ twa ntro so open restraining order. Wo be ma ko court. Na court man restraining order, nya police station. Police station restraining order there. Nipa no hu ni da unhia da. Definitely wakọ na waka nsam say obi nya wo obekum, obi nya wo be say definitely obema preliminary restraining order. Yeah, they are no man. What man proceed if I court. So per restraining order, they will dismiss your stupid case. The next one, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go deep. Yeah, we are. You better him. Some team baby are making me who am mad. Obi hwien so siagumi so. Manimu awotre. Mensa ho awotre, machi awotre. Me sori a. Just why soro abofo ntim memfa nchewo. Nyamenka ho. The name still remains the unpredictable Amankrado. Achim search Kwame Mark. I'm always for peace. If you really want to be respected, respect yourself first.